Staging is the principle that says anything that is presented on a canvas or a screen must be completely and unmistakably clear.
So here's a quick example to demonstrate staging. Right now we have just a cube at the center of the canvas and it really does nothing at the moment. So we want to add animations to give emphasis to the cube. So the way I've done this is by adding a spotlight here, as you can see, and then added some animation to the cube. Also at the end, we've added some nice glow reflections, which all comes together and adds emphasis to the animation that we want to show. So that's a quick example of how staging can work inside animations.
Another thing that this principle allows us to do is to direct the viewer's attention. Let me explain.
Let's take a look at a way of directing the viewer's attention and kind of understand this concept better. I've already laid down a null here to use it as a camera. And what I'm going to do is right before the animation is going to start, I'm going to add some keyframes on the camera layer and zoom in right before it finishes its dance. So almost like while it's doing its action. So I'm going to just throw down some keyframes here. I'm gonna go in and also add some easing to this to give it some flavor. And then we have our little zoom in. So we have the light come in and then we zoom in and there you go. So this is just one way kind of demonstrating how directing the viewer's attention happens, and the camera movement also becomes one of the elements you use to stage your animation.